We've spent the better part of a century developing heat exchangers, but it's not enough to make them. Maintaining them is just as important. On a global scale, as much as 2.5% of CO2 emissions could be prevented through proper upkeep. It's not rocket science. Keeping them clean goes a long way. Having them correctly configured goes even further. And our service offer aims to make this happen on a global scale. With more than 70 service centers worldwide, we can help ensure your heat exchanger is functioning at its best, regardless of location, make, or model. We tailor our service offer to the actual performance of your heat exchangers, which maximize uptime and minimize costs. And if your operating conditions change, we support you by suggesting efficient upgrades and improvements, helping you save energy, boost uptime, and secure product quality. But more importantly, it lowers emissions. We pride ourselves on speed, quality, and safety because we intend to keep at it for as long as it takes. Building on a century of achievements towards a century of action. Join us in the hunt for energy savings.